ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, अनुपमा, सीआईडी, भाभी जी घर पे, Tarak Mehta, all the new artists are going to be part. So that whole song now, which is the ITA theme song, is old and new. कि टीवी तब शुरू हुआ था ना, अगर आप देखिए आज तक के 25 साल हुए हैं, स्टार प्लस के सारे शोज और द क्यों की कहानी इसके 25 साल, केबीसी के 25 साल, so if you look at it, a lot of things started at that time.
तो अचानक ये ख्याल आया कि क्यों ना हम एक ऐसा गाना बनाएं जो टेलीविज़न के बारे में हो और उसमें जो उस वक्त के जो भी पॉपुलर फेसेस थे और प्रोग्राम्स थे उन सबको इंक्लूड किया जाए. एंड वी डिड दैट सॉन्ग एंड वी शॉट विद 50-60 top most faces of that time.
I spoke to them. I walked out with a 3-year contract, Hero Honda IT Award. Manmohan Shetty, Shatrughan Sinha, Javed Akhtar, Rajat Sharma, Shekhar Suman, Neena Gupta, Ravi Chopra. मतलब सबके साथ. I spoke to all. And they said, okay, we'll be there.
I don't know. I will keep throwing some surprises for sure. That I promise. I don't know what, but yeah.
Like I'm very clear. I handle the entries, the nominee, the people, the PR, but we are very clear. We all have meetings together, but his is his, and we respect his decision. Mine is mine.
So hello, Mr. Ranjan, how are you doing?
Thank you so much. I'm doing well.
Yes, first of all, congratulations. Sita is completing 25 years. It must be great and exciting. How are you feeling about it?
It's a great feeling. किसी भी संस्था को 25 साल 25 years of an institution like Indian Television Academy it's a heartening thing, yeah.
So going back, जब आप देखते हैं कि when you started this institution और अब तक इस journey को अगर आप sum up करना चाहेंगे in a few words, how would you look back to it when you started?
Well, a journey of 25 years is very difficult to sum up in few words, but yes, since we have to do that. Yes. I would say that it had all kind of shades, all kind of experiences and emotions, good, bad, ugly. But the best thing is that these 25 years have been not only remarkable for us as Indian Television Academy, but have been also remarkable for television in India and now OTT, a new thing which has come and which is doing extremely well. So we have progressed from where to where, and IT happens to be a witness to this whole beautiful journey.
Definitely. So sir, clocking back to 25 years, it would have been very difficult to establish an academy in television. I mean, तब तो बहुत बड़ी बात होती थी. So what shaped your vision कि ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए, ये establish करना चाहिए? What made you do it?
See, television जो था was always considered as a छोटा भाई or a distant cousin of cinema.
Definitely, yes.
और जब दूरदर्शन का ज़माना था तो लोगों की एक क्यूरियोसिटी थी, लोग देखते थे, चित्रकार देखते थे, कृषि दर्शन तक को देखते थे. तो एक नया मीडियम आया सामने जो लोगों के घरों तक पहुंचा, वो उनके कंफर्ट में वो कभी भी जब देख सकते थे उसको. तो हमें लगा कि ये जो है आगे बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है और इसका जो कैनवस है वो भी बहुत बड़ा होगा. जबकि हमें बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि इतने बड़े बड़े फिल्म स्टार्स के सामने ये एक्टर जो छोटे पर्दे पे आते हैं इनकी कोई वैल्यू जो है नहीं होगी. लेकिन हमारा विश्वास था ये that these people who are loved by audience, perhaps they don't even know their real names, but they know them by characters, and they're so popular, they're reaching every home. So someday, yes, there'll be some recognition for them, and that particular thought made us to start Indian Television Academy and the awards.
Yes.
And we till date, we are the only people who have not diluted our awards. Film stars come and give awards to television actor, but performances are always by television actor, because we definitely make that mark that it is a biggest television platform in the country, and that's what is our strength.
Talking about the awards, we know that there is, as you said, it's a distant cousin or a relative of cinema. So there's a difference between the cinema awards and television awards. So how would you like to quote it in your own words, because you own it?
So I'm very happy to announce and tell to everyone that for last 4 or 5 years we have rated better than most of the film awards, biggest of the film awards. So that means there is a great, huge admiration for television people, because we do not have film actor performing with us. We have only television, but best of television, best of OTT. Those people are there on our platform. And audience are loving it. I mean, we are far ahead than most of the big television film awards. So, yeah.
Definitely. So, sir, do you think that ETA has contributed to raising the standards of television storytelling and performance in India?
Of course, when we, without any bias, when with great transparency, year after year, we honor the excellent work of television people across, then it gives confidence to people who perhaps may not be very popular in the sense that in terms of commercial way, but who have excelled in certain way are honored, and some of our choices sometimes surprise people. But that's what our jury's job, and I think we create that atmosphere that it is absolutely transparent and no interference, because if award has to survive, transparency is the number one priority.
Yes. So, talking about the jury and the selection, as you said, so how do you ensure the fairness and credibility in the selection and jury process?
So there is a process. It's a document which is very well drafted and crafted, and it is given to the jury, and they give up their marks, and after they give their marks, they sit for 7 to 8 days in one place, go through all the stuff, fiction, non-fiction, news, everything, and then that goes for tabulation to a company which tabulates the marks, and then the winner is chosen. And we have two kinds of award. One is popular award, one is jury award. So popular award are always announced 6 months prior on our website, which has a huge draw of 15 lakh people. It's 15 million people on ITA page, and we get more than 1.5 crore votes every year. So there is a huge audience which waits to vote for their favorite, and that is tabulated online every day. So you keep seeing who's going up and who's going down. So I think audience has experienced the transparency and the fairness of the award, and we as the people behind ITA do not interfere in any of the processes, and we take people in the jury who are credible people, who are people with dignity, and who painstakingly sit for 6-7 days, watch hundreds and hundreds of programs from 9 in the morning till 7 in the evening. So, yeah.
So, sir, as you said that it's a very long process. I mean, 7 to 8 dates and 6 months prior से शुरू हो जाता है, and you have a huge audience. So, 25 साल के इतने बड़े टाइम गैप में आपके लिए ये पीछे से संभालना कितना डिफिकल्ट रहा है इतने सालों से?
सी हर साल के एक नए चैलेंज होते हैं. हर साल जो है ऐसा नहीं, कुछ आसान नहीं होती, कोई चीज़ आसान नहीं होती है, लेकिन हाँ सालों साल आपका एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता जाता है. सो यू हैंडल थिंग्स बेटर. तो दुश्वारियाँ तो आती रहती हैं, तरह तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, लेकिन यस, नाउ वी हैव अ एक्सपीरियंस टू हैंडल देम बेटर.
So, sir, coming back to you both handling, आप और मैम आप दोनों हैंडल करते हैं इसको, तो as a couple and professional partners, how do you divide the responsibilities when it comes to managing such a massive event?
So there is creative part of the whole award, and certain things I handle. She's on ground person. She handles all the digital work is handled by her. The processes she's handled by her, and some kind of marketing and thing which is Anu's domain, and I look after all the creative part of it. See to it that each year we bring better entertainment, we bring in something more interesting, so that people come and watch the show. At the same time, the new technologies, everything. So yeah. So I look after all that.
And talking about the television industry, I mean, there have been 2 decades, right? So, तब से अब तक, how do you think the industry have changed?
My God, it's really changed a lot. हमने एक गाना 25 साल पहले पिक्चराइज किया था. It is a kind of a ITA anthem,
Okay.
which is recorded by Shankar Ehsaan Loy and written by Javed Saab. तो हम जब 25 साल पहले शुरू कर रहे थे आईटी, तो हमने कहा कि हम ये कहते हैं कि हम पूरी इंडस्ट्री को एक छत के नीचे लेके आएंगे. तो उसका सिंबोलिज्म तो है, लेकिन कैसे लाएंगे ये कुछ विजुअल में कर सकते हैं हम. तो अचानक ये ख्याल आया कि क्यों ना हम एक ऐसा गाना बनाएं जो टेलीविज़न के बारे में हो, और उसमें जो उस वक्त के जो भी पॉपुलर फेसेस थे और प्रोग्राम्स थे उन सबको इंक्लूड किया जाए. एंड वी डिड दैट सॉन्ग एंड वी शॉट विद 50-60 टॉप मोस्ट फेसेस ऑफ दैट टाइम. अब जब 25 साल पूरे हुए तो दौर बदल गया है बिल्कुल. तो हमने सोचा कि अब जो आज के दौर के जो बड़े नाम हैं, बड़े प्रोग्राम हैं, हम उनको इंक्लूड करें. तो उसकी शूटिंग के लिए मैं फिल्म सिटी गया, और मुझे वहाँ पर लाइट बॉयज़, कैमरामैन, असिस्टेंट्स, डायरेक्टर्स, एक्टर्स, शशि जी हमने यहाँ 25 साल पहले एक ही किया करते थे, हम आपको देखते थे जब आप ये प्रोग्राम. और उससे कोई 10 साल पहले मैं टेलीविज़न करता था. मैंने टेलीविज़न एक्चुअली बहुत पहले शुरू किया. आई थिंक 90s में मैंने 94, 95 I started television, and then did a lot of program. The first talk show was made by me with Shatrughan Sinha as host. So suddenly I realized, my God, I'm like a dinosaur. All these people were kids when they started. So television really has grown so much over the years, and it was overwhelming that I was in the midst of this whole new generation, and listening to them, hearing them, then I realized, yes, it's a long journey. So yeah, it was a very heartening experience at the same time, which made me realize कि आपकी भी उम्र काफी हो चुकी है.
Definitely, sir. What does this milestone mean to you? Like, just not for ETA, but also personally as creators from your side.
मैं आप सही माने, मैं किसी माइलस्टोन्स में वैसे बिलीव ही नहीं करता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी दौड़ जो है ना, मुझे अभी भी ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे बहुत कुछ करना है. मुझे बहुत कुछ, there is still so much of fire in my belly that so many thoughts keep coming. मुझे ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि यार अब 25 साल हो गए, अब तो खलीफा हो गए हम. तो मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसे नहीं, मुझ में अभी भी वही क्यूरियोसिटी और एक वो शिद्दत बाकी है कि I must do something more. And so great that I'm 25, but I don't know where I'm looking. I'm still running.
So still, as you said that you're still running and you have many more plans. So what can future expect from ETA, और आप क्या plan कर रहे हैं?
I don't know. I will keep throwing some surprises for sure. That I promise. I don't know what, but yeah.
And
So I follow my heart and I follow my instincts. And if the intent is right, something good comes up.
And as it's completed Silver Jubilee, so are you planning something exciting for
Yes.
celebration?
This is going to be a special year in terms of entertainment, in terms of everything. We are underlining that this is our Silver Jubilee initiative.
Definitely. So about the grand celebration which you are planning to do, so what can people expect? What can the audience expect? Any surprises that you are about to throw?
Yes, surprises are not supposed to be told 6 months prior.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
It was
you.
really great talking to you.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. First of all, congratulations. ETA is completing 25 years. How is the feeling? How are you feeling?
The only question I asked is not to ask me how's it feeling. It feels very good. That's standard. Yes, ITA completes 25 years on the 18th of July,
Yes,
the day we
exactly.
launched it. And now 25 साल निकल गए.
I mean, 25 साल, 25 years is a very long gap. How do you feel when you look back when you started this?
You know something, everybody, for us, it's just been a growth of all of us together. Group of family, friends, literally whoever we are calling, whoever we are inviting, whoever we are talking to, सारे हमारे साथ थे तब. We all said कि we all started 25 years ago, let's celebrate. It's like हम लोग इकट्ठे मिल रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोग 25 साल पहले, first time is where we were there.
Yes, exactly.
To say, okay guys, IT is launching the first television awards in the country, and let's see. And people were, I think, skeptical at that time, thinking क्या होने वाला है, but God is kind. 25 साल निकल गए.
Yes, I mean, as you said कि people उस time पे बहुत ज़्यादा skeptical
क्योंकि
थे
टीवी तब
and-
शुरू हुआ था ना. अगर
Yes,
आप
right.
देखिए, आज तक के 25 साल हुए हैं. स्टार प्लस के सारे शोज और द क्यों की कहानी के 25 साल, KBC के 25 साल. So if you look at it, a lot of things started at that time.
Yes, exactly.
And that was right in the beginning.
Yes.
So we all started together.
Yes. So तब television आया था and it was very skeptical. तो ये क्या inspiration थी that you wanted to start it out? उस time पे तो काफी
ITA.
difficult रहा होगा. Yes.
ITA, yeah.
ITA.
No, I wanted to start ITA because I started it because I have my friends, two friends of mine जो हम हमेशा वॉक करते थे, सोनी, नीना और मैं. और बातें हो रही थी, हम कोई फिल्म अवार्ड्स पे गए थे जहाँ दे ट्रीटेड यू लाइक, मतलब चल हट, उधर बैठो, ये करो. So they told me, why don't you start? Sony told me, Anu, why don't you start a television award? It was just a conversation on the beach. But I think I took it very seriously. And I said, okay. And maybe because I used to live overseas, so Emmys I had been watching काफ़ी टाइम से. So I kind of worked at it. 18 महीने लगे, but the next thing we knew, we started ITA. So it was just a matter of, I was like with blinkers on कि करना है, करना है, करना है. And we did it with everything, all the homework done. And 18 July, I remember we were the Taj Crystal Room. We announced the Indian Television Academy.
That's beautiful. I mean, the journey you summed up. And जब आपने start किया था, when you said the 18 months of preparation, कहीं आपको ऐसा लगा कि it won't work out या कुछ challenges या hurdles?
अगर मैंने किसी से बात की, सबने सोचा चलो let's humor her, it may not, but I knew it was going to happen. I mean, there's no way. Once I started and I decided, it was a matter of completing it and then getting it going. You know, it wasn't a matter of chalo try karte, time pass karte. It wasn't a time pass for me. It was like a very, very serious project for me at that time. And yes, I was not going to stop till we started it. Yeah.
Yes, as you said कि इसका जो inspiration था, that was just a beach conversation. Which
It was a beach conversation. Yeah.
तो तब के बाद कोई ऐसा ईटा का moment when ITA का moment, I'm really sorry, जो आपके अभी तक is the closest to your heart, which is unforgettable, जो आप 25 साल बाद 18 को दोबारा अगर recall करना
Tell you the
चाहो
truth,
तो-
you know, I remember जब I started it, because शशि ने भी तब कहा था कि everybody thought कि what do you know about TV? Because I wasn't from this business at all. I married him, he was in this business. I was doing various things. And I said, okay, ठीक है, I want to form, I got all my paperwork, blah, blah, blah done. Then I said, I want to form a governing council. And Shashi knew Sushma Swaraj very well. Sushma ji was INB minister that time.
Yes, yes.
So he said, ठीक है, तो मेरी शशि intro करा दो ना. So he said, okay. I met with her. She said, of course. And she was there for the first awards. First ITA, Sushma ji was the chief guest. She said, of course, I'll be there. And I'll whatever support you need. Then went to Vilas Rao Deshmukh ji. He was the chief minister of Maharashtra. And he said, all right, I'll support you. Because see, तबले सब कुछ नया था. People were just saying ये बातें कर रही है, let's see. Then I formed my governing council. उनमें मनमोहन शेट्टी, शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा, जावेद अख्तर, रजत शर्मा, शेख सुमन, नीना गुप्ता, रवि चोपड़ा, मतलब सबके साथ. I spoke to all. And they said, okay, we'll be there. Maybe they were humoring me. I don't know. They said, chalo, ab bol rahe to let's go. And I remember 18 July, there was Vilas Rao ji, me, and our 10 governing council members. They all reached at 8 o'clock sharp. And the entire industry was there in the as our guests. And we announced the launch of the Indian Television Academy that day. उसके बाद था कि मुझे awards करनी है. And I remember going to Star Plus. That time there was Sameer Nair at the head. And he said, ठीक है, awards कर लो, फिल्म वाला कोई होगा. ऐसे नहीं, फिल्म वाले नहीं होंगे, वो ऑडियंस में होंगे. टीवी परफॉर्म करेगी, टीवी Everything on stage is television. The film wise will be there to present the award. And first Samir was doubtful, but honestly he believed in it. He believed in me, and we announced the IT awards. उसके पहले मैं बताती हूँ कहानी. I needed a sponsor. So with a friend of mine, Vinita, who took me to Delhi to meet Pawan Munjal of Hero Honda. And I remember going there, उनके office में सारे उनकी पूरी तामझाम, all the seniors were there. And I walked in and they said, what's your presentation? I said, I don't know what a presentation is. All I know is how to talk.
Yes.
And I can tell you because I've been working on it, because एक चीज़ पता है. I spoke to them. I walked out with a 3-year contract, Hero Honda IT Awards. Went to Star Plus, 3-year contract, Hero Honda IT Award. And touch wood, God has been very kind. That's it.
That's fabulous. I mean, the story from there till
Yeah, then it just kind of continued.
Apart from establishing MAM, after ITA started, how do you see television and cinema in a difference, if you would like to sum it up? मतलब cinema and television में there's a difference always.
There is a difference. Firstly, to talk about the screen size, there and there. But what
Yes.
earlier we used to have, cinema was the only thing around.
Yes.
Television came, but you see the way it took over.
Yes.
It took over. I mean, today you're talking about 300 movies releasing. Maybe 5 are doing good, maybe 6, maybe 10.
Right.
You're talking about TV hour on hour. It's like, it's consumed by, by every human being in our country. So television definitely started storytelling and coming to your home and keeping people busy, occupied. जो पहले आधे से ज़्यादा लोग बाहर जाके टीवी देख, फिल्में टिकट्स भी महंगी हैं, आना जाना भी महंगा है. मतलब it was like a plan with the family. चलो सब लोग चलते हैं.
Yes, oh
टीवी में
my
वो सब नहीं था. It just gave you so much of happiness and joy sitting at home.
Right.
So I think that itself was a very prime reason where everyone we know started loving this medium, loving the people who were in front of us, loving who they were. And that is when I remember we started Great TV magazine. क्योंकि मेरे को भी नाम पता थे characters के. Tulsi is Smriti. आगे Tulsi is a character on TV, but we don't know who she is.
Yes.
So we started talking about them. We started getting into all their lives, interviewing. And that is how I think the popularity of TV stars started. Now there's no stopping. Now there are so many mediums. OTT came, which is again an extension
Yes. Right.
of the same kind of shows. Though some of them were very smart and very fast about a few years ago. But today OTTs also reached that same level of what television is showing. There is no difference. So I don't know what the future holds, but that's it.
How do you ensure fairness and credibility in the selection and jury process over these 25 years?
See, we have a chairman of the jury, we have a jury selection. Shashi, we don't interfere in that process.
Okay.
The nominations come from the channels, from the production houses, from the platforms. Those are into like now OTT, TV, technical. We have a jury who sits for 7, 8, 10 days going through everything. Results come and then we have the Grant Thornton as the auditing firm who all channels everybody goes by. We send them the results, they send us the top 5. We announce the top 5 and we make sure that everybody is there and then the winners announce that day. So there is no interference from Shashimi, which any chairman you can speak to, any jury member, they will say, Shashi Anu come the first day and say, welcome and thank you so much for being and taking out all your time. And the last day we say thank you again. That's our job. We don't interfere in the process because better you hire professionals, you've got people who know their job. Who are we to interfere? And popular is online. वो तो हमारे करोड़ों में अब तो votes जा रही हैं. People are hysterical. And by the way, on the 18th July, we launch our nomination for popular voting starts online. You'll see in 3 days it'll crash again the website because लाखों में लोग आते हैं शुरू में.
As you said, आपकी करोड़ों की audience है and I mean people have been watching you for all of these years. तो जब पीछे you and sir handle everything, कहीं ना कहीं एक nervousness या कुछ डर ऐसा कुछ होता है कि कुछ हो ना जाए, कुछ ये ना हो जाए. I mean obviously you both are experts, but still.
See, डर तब होता है जब आपको लगता है कि कुछ टचवुड कुछ गड़बड़ है. But God is kind. Some where people see we are very clear. Our network platform channels very clear. Our actors and our community very clear. We all know what it's all about. We've all been a part of it. We all know. Majal hai koi channel and we've had IT awards across all channels also. So they all know the process. Every channel knows. ये नहीं कि यार Star पे और Sony पे है, Z पे है, Colors पे है, Jio पे तो उनके actors. Never. On Star we have given Z at the best award. On Sony we've given Star the best award, and they've all abided by it. They respect the judgment of the judges. And that is how this community of our television, by far, and I don't want to talk about all the other awards, they rate 0.4 and 0.7 and the stars take ridiculous amounts. Our artists, our channels and our IT award 2.4, 2.6, 3.5, 3.59. This is how we rate because people believe. You can see the honesty when you put on your television set.
Yes, right.
So it's just that belief, and that is why I think वो fear नहीं है. Fear क्यों होए? किसके लिए होए?
Correct. Ma'am, keeping apart the television awards and other awards, ये जो award shows हैं within 2 decades, I mean you handling this 2 decades में ये कितना change हो गया है from then and now? How do you see the change? How do you
See, they haven't changed. They've just grown.
Yes.
I mean, we've grown from X number of categories to X number of shows, performances. Now the tough part is your promotionals and marketing. That all is playing an important part, but how to reach out to people. But that's become easy also because of social media. Now we've got all these television OTT stars who are a part of ITA. Unka ek word means so much because there's so many people following and listening to them.
Correct.
So I don't think it's just grown in size and happiness. That's all I can say. I don't find anything else.
As professional partners, I mean you and sir have been handling this. So how do you guys manage to divide the responsibilities between?
We are very clearly divided. He handles the creative, he handles the technical logistic. I'm very clear. I handle the entries, the nominee, the people, the PR, but we are very clear. We all have meetings together, but his is his, and we respect his decision. Mine is mine. Respect unless we feel there's something which we feel we can, which we feel can be kind of sort of changed or whatever.
Yes.
Till then, the team, and also touch wood, all our HODs have been with us from year one. सारे अभी तक हैं.
Right.
सारे वही तो मतलब eyes blindfolded, we all know each other, रग जानते हैं. So we just have to say one sentence and everybody's there with you.
Yes.
It's not that you have to go and explain from the beginning. Like I know I go somewhere, they say आप क्या करते हो? मेरे पास आंसर नहीं है, मैं क्या करती हूँ. But इधर हमको बोलना नहीं पड़ता हम क्या कर रहे हैं. Because already पता है. I mean, I know what you do, I know what he does.
Yes.
We know this is it. And if your light person head or your head of direction says, this is it, we say good because he knows better than us.
Yes.
So we give everybody that exact, it's given, that belief and faith and trust in all our people who work with us because we do.
With ITA completing 25 years, I mean, it's Silver Jubilee, so what can we expect on 18th? I mean, what's coming?
कुछ नहीं, all of you together. It's basically a celebration. किसी को stress नहीं देगी, जब awards होगी तब चलो. This is a pure celebration, and we're going to launch our ITA. We had a theme song we shot 25 years ago. Right now, we've shot the same song के साथ with all the new series. I don't know if Shashi told you, we've shot all. Full couples team. क्योंकि ये अपने ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, अनुपमा, CID, भाभी जी घर पे, Tarak Mehta, all the new artists are going to be part. So that whole song now, which is the ITA theme song, is old and new. But everybody's still there. You'll see there's 79 artists then and about 80 artists now. Everybody is so relevant that you know everyone on the screen there.
That's according to me gonna be one attracting point कि सब देखने आएंगे तब और अब.
Seriously, my hair stands when I see it. I said, be watching it and say, oh my God, can you imagine tab aur ab? They're all there. It's fantastic, the feeling.
And what are your future plans with ITA now? I mean, there's gonna be a launch, हमको पता है.
पहले तो हम 25वां साल हम पहले awards करेंगे, which we'll put in all our energies and everybody. Then देखते हैं. फिर आगे.
Any message for anyone who's watching?
No, please just keep watching ITA, give us all the love and make sure every family, friend, member watches, votes because we are there for you and you're there for us. We can't be anything without, the viewer. I mean, honestly, they mean the most to us and I think we mean a lot to you all, so it's okay.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
It's really great talking to you.
Thanks. See ya.